Yes. Yes. Perfect timing. I went down to check if the stuff's back. Perfect timing. I went back to check if stuff's back. I perfectly timed coming back to check if stuff's back.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southern Mercer County in central New Jersey, western Monmouth County in central New Jersey, north central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m.
That's close.
At 4:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area.
Well, it makes sense.
Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall
It was a perfect
rate is
time I
1
went
to
to
2
check this,
inches
bro.
in 1 hour.
Perfect time.
Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Trenton, Ewing, Bordentown, Pennington, Yardley, Newtown, Tullatown, Allentown, Lingmore, White Horse, Mercerville, Hamilton Square, and Florence Roebling. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Here is the regional
Let's see
weather
if this
forecast
works now.
for the Philadelphia metropolitan area tonight, Friday night.
Okay, nope,
Saturday,
that's not working,
Saturday
but
night,
the EAS
Sunday,
relays are
Sunday
working.
night.
Hi guys, it's me, EASManifoldWX, and I'm with Burlington County WX, and we're going to be together doing the Audacity optional weekly test provided by Audacity. So we're together right now. It's okay. Okay, I have my recording going, by the way.
2 minutes, everyone.
Yep, 2 minutes. Let's turn up my volume. I'm definitely getting copyright on this. I'm gonna have to turn up Burlington on my computer because I can barely hear crap.
Why do I get KIW News Radio on one of the stations?
Huh? You're hearing another station? That's weird.
KYW is gonna relay this. I don't think they do, but
Okay. Any station that does Audacity as a service, they should relay it. Wait, doesn't that mean 94 whip? I think the 94 whip is a Audacity station.
yeah, but some of them don't do it.
Yeah, that makes sense actually. I'll see if they do. I'm gonna open it up in the background.
Give our wins and losses. Typically,
704.
things don't go.
1 minute.
704? What do you mean 7? Okay, I'm just putting in the.
Games aren't as easy. That's a nature of it. But when I look at this schedule's brutal. I mean, no back-to-back games.
Oh dang, that's loud.
Oh, yeah.
That's my computer.
It's almost 705.
There is no way.
We're gonna wait.
The Eagles are going to do the really for season. As they were last year. I just don't see any.
Yeah, I can hear it bouncing off from you.
It might not be good on KYW though. I don't think KYW relays to RWT.
Last year,
It's technically OWT.
real difficult schedule here for the Eagles. I don't think there's any way.
Alright.
I'm gonna mute the tab for a second so I can actually hear crap. So, and I'm gonna mute. Okay, all that OWT should be relayed any second now. There it goes. This guy won't relay. That guy's not relaying. Actually, wait, are they gonna relay? I'm gonna have it pause. Okay, we're back. Okay, they never relayed. Wait, they might have. Who's this? No, I don't think they relayed it. It seemed like they relayed it, but I don't think they did. So, yeah, we're back. Okay, so 94 with never relayed. So, yeah, we're back.
WIP do not relay the RWT apparently. But still, I got it on 3 stations. I'm glad with that. I'll take that.
Yeah, I'll take that too.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Yeah, bye, everyone.
Videos are